Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Fordes Videos 2, so be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we're going to be making some. Hi guys, I just wanted to mention as a little side note, in the opening picture, the garnish that I used for the golden apple Talkari was actually scythe flowers. So just a little PSA that the flowers of your scythe or spring onions are edible and you can use it as garnish.